In this course, Advanced Trading Robots, we will carry on where we left off from the last course. For those who enrolled in this course without joining us in the last course, Build Your Trading Robot, do check out our refresher chapter. We have included some videos, some lectures from the last course to bring you up to speed on what's happening. But the refresher chapter cannot be seen as a replacement because we simply covered too many things in the last course. So I do encourage you to check out course 1, Build Your Trading Robot first. What to expect for this course? We start off by understanding market behavior. This is important because without understanding the markets, we can't understand how to design robots to exploit market inefficiencies. So we'll talk about the idea of efficient markets, multiple sources of information. We try to understand the idea of self-fulfilling prophecies, and we also look at concepts such as switches for different market conditions and reversing losing strategies. Next, we look at advanced position sizing and volatility measurement. So we find out how to optimize our risk per trade, how to break down large orders. We look at a proposed bet sizing algorithm that is quite famous in the academic and gambling world, the Kelly position sizing algorithm. And we also look at adaptive sizing algorithms. These are sizing algos that adapt to certain elements in the market. And we look beyond the ATR and talk about different kinds of volatility measurements. Historical versus implied volatility, other measures of volatility, and we will also talk about some non-volatility metrics that will help us in our strategy development. Advanced data management. We look at building custom timeframes other than the default 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, etc. How to clean data mechanically. We may use some predictive methods to predict the values of missing data, etc. We talk about the difference in performance in our backtest when we use data from different sources which has different quality. And we also look at the idea of tick data. We will step out of MQL4 a little bit and we will learn some VBA. VBA is a coding language for building macros in Excel. It stands for Visual Basics for Application. We look at how to make our code robust, how to hasten the backtest process. We look at certain characteristics of MT4 and certain unique functionalities that it has. We look at how to add graphics, labels, etc. to our charts, backtests, and live trading. And we look at a method called Monte Carlo simulation. We understand what it means. We look at the difference between this and an optimization, how to conduct this Monte Carlo simulation, and how do we use the output matrix from this simulation to assist us in our strategy development. Most of you should be familiar with this mind map. This is a visual view of what we have and will be learning. You will see this mind map again at the start of every video lecture. Our tools, in addition to MQL4 and Excel, we have VBA.